Exams are in a week. You have 30 hours of recorded lectures to get through. Most students hit play on lecture 1 and just rewatch everything from the beginning. That's not revision. Today we're breaking down how top-performing students actually revise lecture content before exams. Not what they say they do, what actually works. Studies on the science of learning consistently show that rewatching and rereading are among the least effective revision strategies. They create an illusion of competence without actually building it. Top students know this, so instead of going back to the source material, they go back to their own understanding of it and stress test it. Step before opening a single note or transcript, start with a blank page. Write down everything you can remember about the topic. Every concept, every term, every connection. Once you have your one-page summary, close it. Explain the topic out loud as if you're teaching someone who has never heard of it before. No notes, no looking back. This is the Feynman Technique, and it's ruthlessly effective. For searching lecture content, Konch, Otter.ai, or Whisper for instant searchable transcripts. Stop rewatching, start searching. For one-page summaries, Notion or Obsidian for structured digital notes. Or go analog. For spaced repetition, Anki is unmatched. And for the Feynman Technique, just record yourself on your phone. Watching yourself explain something is uncomfortable and incredibly revealing. Build your revision map first. Target your gaps using transcripts. Compress everything to one page. Test yourself out loud until it's bulletproof.